a really rewarding type of procedure. And it's rewarding because when you look at statistics and you look at outcomes and you say to yourself, my God, we've done over 110,000 cases with 88% satisfaction, that's a remarkable statistic. It really is. Unfortunately, it's not near enough what we should be trying to target with over 2 million individuals that suffer with this chronic ongoing condition. But the 5-year durability studies that we've done and the feasibility studies that we've looked at really have demonstrated that the individuals that have had to go on to have surgery, look at that, it's only been 2.4% of those individuals. So it's a remarkable therapeutic procedure that, again, addresses the cause and not just the symptom of the problem. You know, we sometimes have a challenge of identifying patients, and to me it's always remarkable when I hear that, because you walk into a waiting room and you see 3 walkers, 2 canes, and you go, boy,